Traditionally, Shure is well known as a microphone manufacturer, and it's over the last few years that we've been specializing and working in meeting room spaces in collaboration. So for us to be able to come to this show, where it is different from your traditional audio show, is a lot more collaboration, a lot more IT-based people, is really good for us to get in front of those sorts of people. We've met a range of people, ranging from end users, people who work for charities, people who work for corporations, from government, from corporate, and also some of the integrators that we work with anyway. But I think the main interest has been some of the folks within the collaboration space who don't necessarily know about Shure, but they are looking for an audio solution. A lot of people have said to us that they've got fairly poor microphones, great video, and they're just looking for a higher quality audio solution. Shure as a company, we attend quite a few exhibitions during the year. This is a very specialist one and a good one for us. And we obviously prepare by looking at the market demographic of who's going to be here, taking care to make sure that we bring the right equipment for this particular group of people, and having the right presentations that will appeal to the folks that come to this exhibition. We were here last year and we had good results. We met some people that we hadn't met before. We continued the relationship with some folks we already knew. And as we are expanding our portfolio within the United Collaboration and meeting room spaces, we thought it would be excellent to return to show people and talk to people and to just grow the number of people that we're communicating with in this marketplace. Yeah, Richard Knott, who's our marketing specialist for systems in the UK, he gave a talk this morning about meeting rooms and about audio quality in meeting rooms. And we were involved yesterday in AVIXA, which is the Audiovisual Trade Association, you probably know, and they had a diversity event here which we sponsored. And there was an interesting drinks reception afterwards, so we were very much involved in the planning of that. And in fact, our HR specialist, who's Wendy Baker, she came and she gave a presentation at that event. For a new exhibitor coming, I would say make sure you come prepared to talk to the people that are going to be here. Make sure you do some preparation, look at the market, look at the people that are going to be here, and make sure you're relevant. Because I think the people who come here are quite specialists and they know their subjects. And if you are irrelevant, they're just going to walk past and ignore you. We certainly hope to be back next year. We've booked the same pitch. We have a very good pitch at the front of the exhibition, which we've enjoyed, good footfall, and we certainly hope to be back next year.